Hi, welcome to my channel. This video is a quick introduction to my journey through laser crafts to mixing epoxy. Um, I started in the IT world. I've been in IT for 27 years, so playing with technology and nerdy stuff is natural to me. So when I got super stressed in a bioscience job in LA, I decided I would start crafting. And crafting has been an amazing journey, starting with painting. And I realized I can't paint a straight line to save my life. So I looked towards technology and I embraced the laser. And I've used it to make jewelry, um, a lot of jewelry, a lot of keychains. But now I'm looking at more non traditional things like um, using it to deep engrave softer woods. When you get the right wood and a good laser, you can go pretty deep with a few passes. Um, I do end up in the long run needing to scrub out a lot of carbon to get the image just right. But I'll show you the process, from start to finish in later videos. Um, but this is just an introduction to my work, and I hope you enjoy it because it's what I thrive off of. Um, Please like and subscribe. I welcome any feedback. I know my videos are going to be kind of rough at first, but I'm just starting. So, welcome to my channel.